Okay, so when we are trying to find yield percentages, we have a simple equation. And that equation for that is the edible weight over our as purchased weight. And then this would give us a decimal, and if we just multiplied that by 100 or moved the decimal 2 places to the left, which is the same thing as multiplying by 100, it will give us that yield percentage. So now, knowing this, I started with 5 pounds of potatoes. After peeling and trimming, it weighed 4.2 pounds. So that 4.2 pounds is going to be my edible weight. So I'm going to put that in 4.2. And then I'm going to put it over my as purchased weight, where if we look, we started with 5 pounds. So if I then took the 4.2 pounds and divided it by 5 and then multiplied it by 100, I would be given 84%. Now, another way you might see yield percentages is if it said you started with 5 pounds of potatoes and then your trim weighed, let's say, 2.4 pounds. So I have my as purchased weight, which is that 5 pounds. That will always stay the same. But then my trim weight is that 2.4 pounds. So now, if we look back at our equation over here, I don't technically have an edible weight. So the way to find that is to take your as purchased weight and then subtract that trim weight from it. So if I took that 5 minus the 2.4, I would get 2.6, and this is now my edible weight. So now we can plug this back into our equation. If I did 2.6 and divided it by that as purchased weight of 5 and times it by 100, if we plug that into our calculator, we would get a yield percentage of 52%.